In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do image comparison on your WordPress website, whether you're showcasing a stunning before and after transformation, comparing product features, or simply adding an interactive touch to your content. The image compare block in WordPress is a fantastic tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add this feature to your site, step by step, and customize it to fit your design perfectly. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.wordpress.com. This is the official WordPress platform, ensuring you're working in a secure and reliable environment to manage your website. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. Logging in is an essential first step because it grants you access to all the tools you need to edit and manage your site. Now, on the login screen, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Click on this if you'd like to use your Google account credentials for a quicker and more secure login process. Google's verification steps also add an extra layer of safety. But if you don't use Google to log in, no worries. Simply enter your WordPress login credentials instead. Once you've chosen your login method, select the correct account to complete the authentication process. This part is important, especially if you have multiple Google or WordPress accounts, as it ensures you're logging into the right site. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all aspects of your website. From here, look over to the right-hand panel under the Quick Links section and click on the option labeled Edit Site. This will take you directly to your website's editing interface, where you can explore all the customization tools available. Now that you're in the editing interface, it's time to add the Image Compare feature. Look to the top left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Add button. Click on it, and a search bar will appear. Go ahead and type in Image Compare. This step filters through all the available blocks so you can quickly locate the one designed for side-by-side image comparisons. When you see the Image Compare block in the search results, click on it to add it to your page. This block is what allows you to create that interactive sliding effect, making it a perfect choice for highlighting differences in images like before and after scenarios or product comparisons. Once the block is added, it's time to customize it. You'll now upload the two images you want to compare. Simply follow the prompts to select those images from your computer or media library. Think about which visuals will work best for your audience. This feature works beautifully in situations where you want your viewers to spot changes or differences at a glance. After uploading the images, you'll see the slider appear, allowing users to interactively slide between the two pictures. Before you finalize your work, save your changes and preview the page. This is a crucial step to make sure everything is functioning as expected and that the new feature fits seamlessly into your site's layout. If something doesn't look right, don't worry, you can always make adjustments. Finally, take a moment to experiment with the Image Compare block settings. You can fine-tune its appearance and functionality to better match your website's design or purpose. Play around with the slider, orientation, alignment, or even the size of the block to create the best possible experience for your visitors. Customization is key to making your site unique and engaging. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized the Image Compare feature on your WordPress website. This tool is a fantastic way to create interactive, visually engaging content that enhances your storytelling or product displays. If you have any questions or want to share how you've used this feature on your own site, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.